Hi there. So our team goofed, and I wanted to turn this into a learning opportunity because it just happens, right? We post a link and it's broken. So one of our followers just mentioned, hey, this is not very informative. So what happened was this is a blog post that we promoted on our own channel. And for SEO reasons, we changed our blog to a subdomain format. So instead of sociamonials.com/blog, it's blog.sociamonials.com. So what that did is effectively broke all of our old links. And we had this one on Requeue and just never got to it. So anyway, this went out. It's a problem. We need to fix it. So we have a couple of options. We already have some engagement on it and some reach, so we don't want to really delete it and then repost it. What I'd rather do is just fix this link somehow and still have it track back to the original post, just so everything's neat and tidy in our calendar and our sent folders and everything like that. Plus, some people might have already shared this without even looking at it. It happens because there's enough information in the image here where it's of interest. So somebody might have passed this along to a colleague. So what do we do? What we do with Sociamonials is we fix the link. So what I'm going to do is go and find the correct link. So I went and found this blog. This is the blog on our actual, live system, so I know it's correct. I'm going to grab the correct one that has blog.sociamonials.com. Then I'm going to head over to our account and go to our sent folder. So the way I find it, just to let you guys know, is I grab the first few characters of the post and I go into search, and what that will do is it will filter it and bring the post up to the top. So here's the You Could Be Next post. I'm going to go to Actions now and change a link. So as you can see, we create separate short links for every single social network we post on. And the reason we do that is mainly for tracking. Some people want to use a different link with different parameters for different networks. But for most people, we're just doing this so we can track it back. Like I mentioned, if somebody shares it, if somebody sends a LinkedIn post and somebody shares that out either via email to a colleague, if they're within a big corporation, or if they just share that out on their own feed, maybe on a different social network, we want to know that the original post was on LinkedIn, so that gets the attribution and all of our reporting. So anyway, what we need to do is I'm going to click on that link, double or triple click it to select all, and paste it. That's not correct. Let's go and grab this. You can hear the panic in my voice a little bit. That's how it is when you make a mistake. But what I love about our software is that you can correct those mistakes without having to make excuses to your client. You can do this in the dead of night, and it's like it never happened. So as you can see now, they all have the correct URL structure. I'm going to save those changes, and it's instantly done. Let's go test this. I'm going to go back to this Facebook post, and let's see if it works now. Beautiful. So now it's directing to the correct destination URL. So that's it. Hopefully that will help save some of you some strife and some embarrassment.